High up on a tall, windswept mountain lived Rocky, a big, sparkly granite rock who loved to bask in the sunlight and watch the world from above. Rocky had been there for ages, never lonely, because he had his best friends by his side, the Rolling Pebbles, Pip, Skip, and Plop. Pip was the tiniest pebble, always darting about and quick to laugh, while Skip loved to hop from spot to spot, never staying still for long. Plop, on the other hand, was a bit clumsy but always cheerful, bringing smiles to everyone with his silly jokes and happy spirit. Together they played games like Stay Still the Longest, Guess That Cloud, and even Who Can Spot the Shiniest Bug. Every morning, as the sun peeked over the mountain, they'd shout, "Ready to rock and roll!" Their laughter echoed across the peaks. Rocky loved his home, the fresh air, and the endless sky, but he was always curious about the world below the mountain. He'd watch the clouds drift by and wonder where the winding river far below might lead, imagining adventures beyond the horizon. Pip would often peek over the edge, her eyes sparkling with excitement, always ready for a new adventure. Skip imagined all the places they could go, dreaming of rolling through forests, fields, and maybe even meeting new friends. One morning, the air felt different, warm and sticky, with big gray clouds gathering and a strange hush settling over the mountain. Rocky wiggled his edges, feeling something new. "I feel a rumble in my rubble," he announced, his voice echoing with excitement and a hint of worry. The Rolling Pebbles huddled close, feeling a deep hum from the sky and the ground, as if the whole mountain was holding its breath. Suddenly, a drop of water landed on Rocky's head. Plink, then another, plunk. The first raindrops felt cool and surprising. Soon, rain poured down, not a gentle shower, but a wild, drenching storm that made the whole mountaintop shimmer and dance. The Rolling Pebbles giggled as the rain washed over them, making them shiny and new, as if they were being polished for a special day. "It's a mountain shower!" shouted Skip, bouncing with excitement as the rain splashed all around. "Ready to rock and roll!" they cheered, even as the rain poured harder and the wind howled through the peaks. They huddled together, feeling the cool water trickle down their sides, not knowing this storm would soon start their greatest adventure yet. The mountain rumbled beneath them, and the world suddenly felt full of possibility and change. Rocky and his friends looked at each other, excitement and nerves mixing in their eyes, wondering what would happen next. The adventure they'd always dreamed of was about to begin, and none of them wanted to miss a single moment. The rain kept falling, and the mountain was changing before their very eyes, as if inviting them to explore. Rocky and the Rolling Pebbles were ready for whatever came next, their hearts full of courage and curiosity, eager to roll into the unknown. The rain hammered down, turning the ground to slippery mud. Rocky felt himself wiggling. The water was washing away the dirt that held him in place. This is erosion, when water and wind wear away the land. The Rolling Pebbles jiggled and joggled, sliding slowly away from their home. Suddenly, with a huge whoosh, the ground gave way. Rocky and his friends slid down the mountain in a wild, muddy ride. They tumbled and bumped, shouting, "Ready to rock and roll!" Rocky cleared the path, the pebbles bounced behind. They slid past trees and bushes, sticking together through the chaos. At last, the slide slowed, and they landed with a soft thump at the river's edge. They'd made it, thanks to the powerful rain. Their adventure was truly underway. The river was loud and fast, sweeping Rocky and the Rolling Pebbles into its current. They tumbled along the riverbed, bumping and grinding, getting smoother with every roll. "I'm getting rounder," Rocky laughed. The pebbles shone like polished stones. "Ready to rock and roll!" they cheered, voices bubbling up. Sometimes Rocky got stuck, but the pebbles worked together to help him along. They saw fish dart by and plants swaying in the current. The river twisted and turned, sometimes calm, sometimes wild. "This is faster than the mudslide," Pip squealed. They traveled farther from home, but they were explorers now. Every bend brought something new. The river slowed, and Rocky drifted to a sandy bank, half in, half out of the water. The gentle current lapped at his sides, and he felt the warmth of the sun on his smooth surface. The Rolling Pebbles washed up beside him, tired but happy after their long journey tumbling through the river's twists and turns. They looked at themselves, softer, rounder, and smoother than before. Each pebble sparkled in the sunlight, their colors brighter and their edges gentle to the touch. All that tumbling had changed them, shaping them in ways they never expected. The river was like sandpaper, shaping them on their journey, smoothing away their rough edges with every twist and turn. They watched ducks paddle by and a dragonfly land for a moment, its wings shimmering in the sunlight before it darted away. They realized the river was a home for many creatures, not just rocks. Birds, insects, and animals all shared this peaceful place. The sun warmed them as they rested, grateful for a break and for the company of friends. "I wonder what's next," Pip chirped, gazing curiously down the winding river. Rocky gazed downriver, feeling a sense of excitement. "Our journey isn't over yet," he rumbled, his voice full of hope and anticipation for new adventures. For now they enjoyed the sunshine, a family of well-traveled rocks, content to rest together and share stories of their travels. The world was bigger and more exciting than they'd ever imagined, full of surprises and new friends at every bend. They were ready for whatever came next, eager to see where the river would take them tomorrow. Another current swept them back into the river, now wider and deeper than ever. The mountains were gone, replaced by fields and forests. They floated past a busy town, seeing bridges, boats, and children playing by the water. The world was full of surprises. Rocky noticed the water tasted salty. The river was meeting the ocean. Rivers flow to the sea where fresh water meets salt water. The river opened up, and suddenly they were in the vast, endless ocean. The water rocked and swayed with slow, gentle waves. "Whoa!" whispered the pebbles. They'd made it from mountaintop to sea. "Ready to rock and roll?" Rocky asked, awestruck. Their journey had brought them to a whole new world. The adventure wasn't over yet. The ocean waves lifted them gently, carrying them across the sparkling water to a wide, sandy beach that stretched as far as they could see. The air was fresh and salty, and the sound of the waves was soothing. They landed softly, surrounded by millions of tiny grains of sand that glimmered in the morning light, each one unique and beautiful. Rocky realized the sand was made of ancient rocks, broken down over thousands of years by wind, water, and time itself. "We're standing on what's left of old mountains," he exclaimed, his voice full of wonder and excitement. The beach was a resting place for rocks that had finished their long journey, a peaceful home after years of travel. Plop rolled in the warm sand, feeling the softness all around him. "It's so soft," he said, giggling as the grains tickled his sides. They explored the shore, met new shells, and watched the waves roll in and out, always bringing something new to discover. As the sun set, painting the sky with brilliant colors, Rocky gathered his friends close. They looked back at the vast ocean and up toward the distant mountains they'd left behind, remembering every twist and turn of their adventure. They were no longer sharp, jagged rocks, but smooth and full of stories, shaped by every place they'd been. Their adventure had taught them about erosion, rivers, and change, how everything transforms with time and patience. They had become something new, shaped by the journey and the world around them. The world was full of wonder, and now, more than ever, they knew they were a special part of it. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Rocky felt peaceful. Their wild adventure was over. They'd traveled from mountain to sea. "We rocked and we rolled all the way to the ocean." Pip cheered. They were smoother, shinier, and closer than ever. The journey had knocked off their rough edges, inside and out. Their friendship was stronger than stone. The beach was their new home, full of sun, waves, and stories to share. Every morning they'd shout, "Ready to rock and roll," a promise of more adventures to come. Even a rock's life is full of change and excitement. The greatest journeys are the ones you share with friends.